Guys, we are ready for another journal lesson. And this week in our journal, we're going to be working on show and tell journal entries. So today I brought one of my favorite toys. This is a little Pooh Bear. It doesn't look like the Pooh Bear we think of, but he's what we call a vintage Pooh Bear. And he was in all of my kids' nurseries because Pooh Bear is one of Miss Craft's favorite books and movies and characters. I like Winnie the Pooh. So I want to tell about this special toy in my journal. Now I'm going to open up, and I'm not going to be on the same page you are because you did a journal Friday and I didn't. But you go to your next empty page, and we're always going to start our journal with our what? That's right, with our date. 9, make a circle, then a line, and then I put a dash. And today's date is the 14th, 1, 4, and then the year is 2020, so I write it 20. So I'm going to start with my picture just like I started last week. And I've got my toy right in front of me. So that is really going to help me make a great picture. I see that his head looks like a circle. So I'm going to draw a circle. And then I see, he has 2 ears. So I'm going to put 2 ears. Oh, and then he has 2 eyes. And he has a nose. So I'm going to add his nose. And he really doesn't have a mouth, so I'm not going to add a mouth. And then I'm going to look at his body. Oh, it's kind of shaped a little bit like a diamond, maybe. So I'm going to kind of shape it like so. I can look and see. Then I see he has an arm and an arm. And then he's got some legs. And on his legs, I see he has a foot, doesn't he? Now, I'm ready to add some more detail to my Pooh. First of all, if you just look at this picture, you would not know it was Pooh Bear, would you? So I'm going to have to add Pooh. Pooh. And I'm going to tell you about some of the things that I put on my Pooh. I'm going to add some labels. Remember, I can put an arrow so that you know exactly ears. I'm going to use my sounds. I'm going to stretch out a word. Ears. We might work on stretching out words in our next journal. And let's see. Oh, and he has an arm. Arm. And a little egg. Leg. Oh, Pooh. Very important to Pooh. He has a belly. And you might want to label his eyes, or maybe his nose. All the parts of Pooh you can label, and then you can get your crayons and you can go back and add some color. I'm just going to do a little bit very quickly on mine because I do not want you spending your time watching me. But see how I'm trying to do it neatly and stay in my lines. I want it to look very nice because my reader is going to use this picture to help them understand my story. Okay, you got the picture. I'm going to color. Now, I'm ready to come down here and I'm going to tell you about my Pooh. I'm going to tell you today, I like Pooh. That's the end of my sentence, so I'm going to put a period. It has a naming part. This sentence is about me. And it has an action part. What am I doing? I'm liking. I like Pooh. I'm going to tell you something else about Pooh. Pooh is funny, funny. He likes honey. So today I want you to pick a favorite toy to share about in your journal, and this will be good practice because tomorrow we're going to have some video show and tell where you get to show us a toy on video. But today we're practicing in our journal. Have fun.